Check out this 2006 BMW 3 Series 330i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear suspension type, multi-link, power door locks, remote, phone, pre-wired for phone, cruise control, audio security system, sunroof, remote operation, and adjustable rear headrests. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.